assignment. So your job today is to finish the task called Scientific Explanations. To do this, when you open up Teams, you'll see that there are two attached pieces to the assignment. The first one is a PDF reading. The reading is called Scientific Explanations, and as you read, you will need to open up the other activity, which is the Word document. As you read, you're going to take notes, 2-column notes on this reading. Make sure that you fill in the information at the top with your name, my name, science period, and the date. And as you take these 2-column notes, I gave you the big ideas. So I gave you those topics that you should be searching for as you read, and then your job is to find the details. So like if I read that first big idea, science is, I see that that tells me about that first paragraph. So as I'm reading the first paragraph, I'm looking for the 2 details to add into my notes here. And then I'm going to keep going. In general, each paragraph is its own big idea. Ms. Kendrick would agree with me that paragraphs separate our big ideas. So as you're reading, you'll go through it. This reading is 2 pages long. You'll read through the whole thing, and you will need to use those images. There is something that asks about this image right here, the what is a theory. Make sure that you are doing everything that you need to. And then when you finish your reading and your 2-column notes, there are some wrap-up questions. I'm going to ask you to analyze what you just read. You're going to use your reading to answer these questions, and you also have to think back to that dinosaur footprint activity that we completed. This question here asks you to think about Friday's job. Think about those footprints and which explanation fits best. When you're finished with all of this, make sure that you hit submit on Teams and that you've answered all the questions to the best of your ability. Make sure that as you are taking these notes that you are not copying and pasting information. This part here needs to be done in your own words. Same thing with this part here. Use your own words. Thanks, guys. Get this done by midnight on September 24th.